Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I got my Pinch Me box. This was the Pinch Me box that I ordered on during the month of May. June. May. I'll tell you in a second. Exciting. Oh good, I got some more of the Garnier Whole Blends Oat Delicacies. This is Soothes, Hydrates, and Protects. There is a shampoo and a conditioner sample. Garnier Whole Blends, wholesome loving care blended with natural, beautiful, blended for natural, beautiful hair every day. Gentle conditioner and gentle shampoo. I love that. It's actually really nice. And there is a sample of Heinz Real Mayonnaise, deliciously creamy, 100% cage-free eggs. And this is 1.25 ounces. I think I'm going to add this to tuna, and I'll let you guys know how it is. Its ingredients are soybean oil, eggs, whole eggs and egg yolks, distilled white vinegar, water, salt, sugar, natural flavor. Contains mustard. Ooh, lemon juice concentrate, calcium, disodium, EDTA to protect freshness. And it says a warning like it contains eggs. And that's from Heinz. And along that comes with a coupon to get a free any size Heinz mayo, which is great, up to $4.50, and it expires on 9/30. That's awesome sauce. And I also got a coupon for a free Graze box. Graze is a snack club subscription box. And the last sample I got is from NextCare. Now, I had tried a NextCare product in a previous Pinch Me box. But let's see what this one is. It says, first of all, there's a coupon for 50 cents. All kinds of tough. All kinds of love. Waterproof, dirt-proof, life-proof. Free sample and coupon are reversed. Directions for easy one-handed application. Oh, that's cool. So they give you 2 NextCare bandages, which is great because I actually need one because I ripped my toenail off last night. Yes. Nope, it's fine. It's not all ripped off. It's just a big section taken out of the corner. So that's everything. It was a small box this month, but I wanted to share something with you. Are you okay? I wanted to share something with you guys. Months when I haven't gotten samples, Pinch Me has given me a free magazine subscription. And when you go on there, I like to read all of the fine print. In lieu of the magazine subscription, one time in your life, you are allowed to get $10 instead. So I actually have just gotten free magazine subscriptions from T-Mobile Tuesday. So I have way more magazines than I can read right now. So I was like, ooh, I read it, and I was like, oh, let's do this. So you have to claim the voucher. You have to postmark it within 2 days, which is like super fast, but you have to do it right away. But I thought that was another thing I wanted to share with you about Pinch Me. So if you go on during the sample day, and there is no sample for you, but just but a free magazine subscription. Obviously, you can always take advantage of the magazine subscription for the sake of magazines. But you also read what magazine subscription you're offered, because you may be eligible to cash in for the $10 check. So let me just see one thing really quick. I'm sorry, my allergies bother me. I keep touching my nose. So next, I wanted to let you guys know that the next sample Tuesday is July 17th. And don't forget to stop by PinchMe.com. I will leave a link in the description box down below. And don't forget to, like I said, stop by PinchMe.com and sign up. It's free. You don't need a credit card. All you need is a mailing address, and you need to be over 18. So, I mean, that's pretty much most of you anyway. And that's it. And then, you know, you don't always get the opportunity to get a sample. You fill out a little questionnaire. They ask some information about you, like, you know, we get cat food samples because we have a cat. We're not going to get dog food samples because we don't have a dog. But you don't always have the opportunity depending on your demographic. However, the opportunity rises more often than not for me. So hopefully for you too. All right. And it doesn't cost anything except for a few minutes of your time. So that to me is worth it. And, well, a few minutes of your time each month to go on there. And, yeah, that's it. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Hopefully give this video a thumbs up. If you have anybody who would like to get some free stuff from free samples, share this video with them. And if you haven't yet, click subscribe. When you do, a little bell will pop up. When you ring that bell, YouTube will let you know whenever I upload a new video. And as always, take care. God bless. See you next time. Bye.